students. The last paragraph राहिला बघा आपला. There was so little solidarity in the USA at the time this incident occurred when this incident occurred that the people of America did not think that they were a nation. If the people of United States could not feel that they were a nation, how difficult it is for Indians to think that they are a nation. I remember the days when politically minded Indians presented the expression the people of India. They preferred the expression the Indian nation. I am of opinion that in believing that we are a nation, we are cherishing a great delusion. Delusion means what? A mistaken idea. So हे झालेलं आहे आपलं, मी फक्त रीड करते आहे. A mistaken idea, actually not mind from our mind 100%. We have not accepted that we are a nation. Yes, we celebrate Independence Day, we celebrate Republic Day, but from deep in our mind we don't think that we are one nation, we are one society, we are one people, and we are united. How can people divided into several thousands of castes be a nation? The sooner we realize that we are not as yet a nation in the social and psychological sense of the word, the better for us. For then only we shall realize the necessity of becoming a nation and seriously think of ways and means of realizing the goal. The realization of this goal is going to be very difficult, far more difficult than it has been in the United States. The United States has no caste problem. In India, there are castes. The castes are anti national. In the first place, because they bring about separation in social life. They are anti national also because they generate jealousy and antipathy between caste and creed. So हे काल आपण डिस्कस केलं आहे सर्वांनी. What is anti national? It is it is not, the castes are dividing the society, dividing the people among the different groups, and so that they don't respect each other. They have lots of dispute, quarrels, and many problems among them. So how can we be a nation? In India today also there are so many thousands of castes are there, and we follow them. We follow the caste, the culture, the traditions, and it is very very difficult for that reason that we can't agree, we can't accept the India as a nation. But we overcome means what? Overcome means, but we overcome all these difficulties. मात करणे, overcome म्हणजे मात करणे, all the difficulties. If we wish to become a nation in reality, for fraternity can be a fact only when there is a nation. Without fraternity, equality and liberty will be no deeper than coats of paint. So on these three trinity, our Constitution of India has been built, has been written by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and his team. But without fraternity, if we don't have the sense of brotherhood among the people, if we don't have that sense of feeling of one family, one nation and united, if we don't have that feeling, आपल्याकडे ती feeling नसेल तर इक्वॅलिटी अँड लिबर्टीला काही अर्थ नाही आहे. If we have that feeling, then only equality will really exist and liberty will also really give the sense to the people. So till that, these are just the coats of paint. Coats of paints means coats of paints on the wall that can be easily removed. कोट्स ऑफ पेंट, एक पातळ थर रंगाचा जर भिंतीला दिला तो कधी पण उडून जाऊ शकतो, कधी निघून जाऊ शकतो. सो इन द सेम वे, इक्वॅलिटी अँड लिबर्टी इज जस्ट लाईक दॅट कलर ऑन द वॉल that can be removed on any time. So what is the most important thing? Fraternity is the most important thing. That feeling of brotherhood should be there in among our minds, in the people of India. So here our topic gets end. And now there are some brainstorming activities here that we have to solve together. The first one is, I think, the following topics are for the discussion purpose is given. So it's like a short note, then there is a true and false, then there is a small chart that we have to complete. Okay, so I will, you have to complete it in your notebook, and I will stop here. I think first two or three activities you have to solve. Thank you.